something critical, don't panic. There are several reliable ways to recover your messages, and I'm going to walk you through all of them right now. First, let's understand why messages disappear. This usually happens because of accidental deletion, clearing a chat, reinstalling the app, switching phones, factory reset, or using disappearing messages. The good news is, in most cases, your data can still be recovered if you act quickly. Method 1, restore from Google Drive backup if you're on Android. Uninstall WhatsApp Business, then reinstall it from the Play Store. Verify your number, and when prompted, tap Restore. If a backup exists, all your chats will come back instantly. Method 2, restore from iCloud backup on iPhone. Same process. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp Business, verify your number, then tap Restore Chat History when asked. Just make sure you're logged into the same Apple ID used for the backup. Method 3, use a local backup on Android. Open your file manager, go to Internal Storage, then WhatsApp Business, then Databases. You'll see backup files with dates. Pick the latest one before deletion, rename it to msgstore.db.crypt14, reinstall the app, and restore it during setup. This works even without Google Drive. Method 4, check your email. If you ever exported a chat, search your inbox for WhatsApp chat export or the contact name. You might find a full copy of the conversation there. It won't restore into the app, but you'll still have all the messages. Method 5, check your notification history. On Android, go to Settings, then Notifications, then Notification History. If it's enabled, you may find recently deleted messages stored there. This works best for recent chats within the last day or two. Method 6, and this is super important, turn on auto backup right now. Open WhatsApp Business, go to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. Set it to daily, link your Google Drive or iCloud, and tap Backup Now. This ensures you never lose important messages again. And that's it. Restore from cloud backups, use local backups, check email exports, review notification history, and enable auto backup for the future. The faster you act, the higher your chances of recovery. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and drop a comment if you got your messages back. See you in the next one.